The toys are gone. Papunta na po sila sa Pampanga, and would like to thank again FHM Film Creative sa pagtulong nyo po sa Gawad Kalinga. And like I said, para po dun sa atin na may mga extra maaari nating maitulong, tayo po nakakakain, may tirahan, may damit, at marami po tayong mga bagay na na-enjoy dito sa Amerika na marami po sa ating mga kababayan yung basic needs lang po nila, hindi na po ma-meet sa Pilipinas. So please help them. Look for Gawad Kalinga. There's Gawad Kalinga USA, there's Gawad Kalinga in the Philippines, and there's so many ways you can help. And speaking of giving, we are giving away Knott's Berry Farm tickets. How about enjoying Charlie Brown Christmas at Knott's Berry Farm? All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube page. Aba, yan. Meron po tayo talagang YouTube page. youtube.com/kababayanla18 and leave us a comment. Lahat po na magsasubscribe ngayong araw na ito hanggang Linggo, isasama po natin sa raffle drawing kung saan pipili po tayo ng 5 lucky new Kababayan YouTube page subscribers para manalo ng 2 tickets ang bawat isa para po sa Knott's Berry Farm. Of course, it's for you to enjoy Charlie Brown Christmas at Knott's Berry Farm, pero ang ticket po good until next year, 2012. So kung wala kayong panahon, maaari rin po kayong pumunta next year. But if you want to win, you need to subscribe to our YouTube page, youtube.com/kababayanla18. Thank you so much for joining us today on the show, and para po in the mood tayo sa Kapaskuhan. Ito naman po ang harana ni Joseph Vincent para sa ating lahat. Enjoy this one. This has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Oh, oh. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow.